Mamis, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Sana po ay nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. Ligtas po kayo sa lahat ng kapahamakan. Saan man po kayo naroon at ano man po ang iyong ginagawa, sana po ay nasa ligtas po kayo. Kakain po tayo mga mami. Samahan niyo po kami. Kasama ko yung Myanmar na katulong din po ng anak ng amo ko matanda. Pero bago po tayo kakain mga mamis, kung hindi po kayo nakakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, subscribe na po, like na rin po, at share. Maraming salamat po. Tara po, kain na po tayo.
This is your channel.
That one I didn't know you.
No, the one is gone already. Nothing.
How can you say gone? It's in TikTok already, the one.
No, this is different. You don't know. This is the
It's
TikTok.
okay.
No, I don't like this video.
You want?
No, I don't. For what? For channel? I shop. I don't want.
You want? Even if you how many years you'll go to Myanmar, then you can watch that on YouTube. That's our remembrance to beat us.
Yeah, this one also not wrong. See our food. This is Philippine food. What?
Yeah, Philippine food.
I like the sauce with the rice. This is bean.
Yeah, it's beans. They call climbing beans because there is also the sitting beans. The sitting beans they call like this also, but it's not going up. Climbing.
I want the long one. This is short.
Yeah, this one. Kain po tayo. May kasama po akong taga Myanmar.
I'm from Myanmar. Oh, you laugh?
Because she's smiling. Smiling at us. You don't eat using your hands?
I don't like. Because when I go school, only use spoon. This one.
Yeah. I like to eat using my hands. Filipino bulaga.
Yeah, our country also like that. Last time I eat, but long time already I never use hand. So you don't use TikTok?
Maybe this one I upload the next day, not tomorrow. So I upload every other day. I just upload the other one.
Send you message. Somebody send you message. This you order from Philippines shop or any shop?
Any shop there is. Because they eat also like this here, but different food. Yeah. Did you madam see your message? The one message?
Soon.
I taking the picture.
Always pull me. See, I said before, not in the house, the shoes. No, I forget grandma house. I'm not wrong, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
I don't. This is she will angry or what? I mean, because she don't like talk like that.
What do you want? You just accept that your fault. It's your fault. It's your fault. No. If it's not your fault, you need to talk. But your madam is different.
Yeah. This
It's
madam
different.
never see.
I want to buy mic for the one you use for you are between. So that
Microscope.
Microscope.
They are like. You want the small one?
So small. Because sometimes they don't have numbers. Now this one I don't know if I put the volume or no. Maybe it's not. I don't know. I'm full. Look it. Finish all the
I cannot finish. Ready tonight. Oh, no, you ready tonight?
It's up to you if you want to eat.
No, I mean, ask you.
For me, I don't want to eat rice now at night. Heavy for me. It's
Okay,
good.
it's-
For you, it's okay. But me, at my age,
Oh, come on. I like the sauce. No internet.
no internet here.
You want like this or what? Put here.
No, I mean the small one only. Don't like this.
Small one.
The small one that you will keep it over here.
Mm-hmm. No string, right?
Yeah.
Ah, I know.
Because if you put like that, the one with the string, put. Mama saw it. What is that?
Like that. But I don't have this from Bahrain. I have only Singapore shop. Stop it.
Ayan po, tapos na po yung tinanim natin. Ano natin, pasok natin sa loob. Yan muna siya. Kunin ko pa yung isa. Grade 11 na ako. Mute lang na. Parang po na kami. Natungit na lang ako. Tapos ako lang ng trabaho. ako i-inform eh. Hanggang ito na po ang ating video mga mamis. Natapusin na po natin dito at sana po huwag po kayong magsawang sumuporta. Sana supportahan niyo po po yung mga videos ko kahit yung mga videos ko po ay yung routine lang po dito sa bahay. Maraming salamat po dahil meron pa rin po mga nanonood mga views kahit konti lang pero salamat po. Hanggang dito na lang po. Bye bye po. See you next vlog po. Bye bye po. Jesus loves us po.